Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a building in a very simple way. This design can be used for your house, school, or any other building. Small diamond step 1. First, draw the outer shape of the building. Small diamond step 2. Now, add the windows and the main door. Small diamond. Step 3. Next, design the roof to make the building look more attractive. Small diamond step 4. Draw the stairs for the building. It's very easy. If you want to add another room on the upper floor, you can design it with windows and doors as well. Small diamond step 5. Add details to the walls to make the building more beautiful. Small diamond step 6. Finally, color the windows and doors. For dark shades, press the pencil harder. For light shades, tilt the pencil slightly and color softly. This drawing can also be used as an idea for building your real house. If you want me to make a drawing of your favorite building or anything else, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.